Semi-Color is known for its rich tones, high shine, and ultra conditioning end results.
The addition of Liquid Activator to the Semi-Color portfolio provides a new way to deliver the same great end results. Semi-Color is a vegan, gluten-free, and ammonia-free demi-permanent formula that offers up to 70% gray blending and is great for toning, tone-on-tone coloring, going darker, and so much more.
We know every guest that sits in your chair could require a different color application or outcome, so we want to make sure that you have these options. Now you can use Semi-Color with 3 different activators, depending on what's best for your application and end result. So let's get into it.
Looking for speed? Liquid Activator is your go-to. This thinner liquid consistency is ideal for using an applicator bottle for a quick application at the basin. Also, great for an efficient application on long and/or thick hair. Cutting down on application time is going to speed up your toning and refreshing services, all while experiencing the same great glossy color result. Liquid Activator is a 7.5 volume.
For precision, Semi-Color Activator is your tried and true choice. This creamy consistency will help with your application of lowlights, shadow roots, gray blending, and so much more. This activator can also be used in a bottle, but is ideal for a bowl and brush application where precision is desired. Semi-Color Activator is 7.5 volume.
Want more intensity? Pump up the result with Activator Intense. This activator is designed to give a more intense result with your Semi-Color shades. It's also great for tone-on-tone coloring or gray blending. It can be used in a bottle, but ideal for a bowl and brush application. Activator Intense is 10 volume, so this formula could lift up to a half of a level on natural hair. With all Semi-Color activators, you'll achieve a beautiful, rich dimensional tone and a glossy end result. The standard Semi-Color formula is mixed 1 part Semi-Color to 2 parts of the same color activator of your choice.
Always using a scale for accuracy. Apply using a bowl and a brush or bottle to clean damp hair and process for 20 minutes. Shampooing with After Color shampoo is optional. Rinse well and massage in After Color balsam for 1 to 3 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and style as desired.
Having a color with options is important, and now you can truly have it all with Semi-Color and the new Liquid Activator.